the end of winter, there's an invasion taking place in my lawn, and probably yours too. Weeds are germinating, growing, flowering, and out-competing the grass. The time to take action is right now. I sometimes get on my trolley and cut weeds out of the lawn. It's very effective, but slow. Tried bribing the grandkids with a money bounty, but they soon lost interest. Let's look at some of the worst culprits. This is clover. Now, there's quite a few different forms, and they're all bad news when it comes to the grass. The reason is they grow so rapidly and tall that they blot out the light, and this causes the grass to get weaker. Some of them have also got burrs, little furry balls of prickles. They catch in your clothes, and that's how they can get moved around the garden. Dandelion can be mown in one day, and the next day it sends up a flower in defiance. Flatweed looks very similar to dandelion, but usually grows in clumps and tends to grow so low it can't be affected by mowing. Here's a dual-purpose weed and feed product that will knock out the broadleaf weeds in the lawn and at the same time give it a feed, and that'll get it jumping into the spring. This can be applied straight from the shaker pack. This contains soluble iron, which acts as a burning agent for the control of broadleaf weeds. For best results, water lawn before applying and then water in 2 days after application. Because I have a buffalo lawn and I reckon all those weedy culprits mentioned above, I'm going to use this specific Weed and Feed buffalo lawn product. It's also available in a 10 kg and a 12.5 kg pack for larger areas. This formulation is the one I need. It's got potash to help with shoot growth and a soil improver. And one application feeds for up to 3 months.